Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about crypto skating. So what is crypto skating? Skating is a way to earn passive income by committing your cryptocurrency to support the operation of a blockchain network. In return, you earn rewards, usually more of the same crypto. As of 2025, Cash App does not support direct skating like some platforms such as Coinbase or Kraken, but it may offer skating-like yield products or partnership-based rewards through its Bitcoin services. So this guide will assume that you are using Cash App Bitcoin features. You want to transfer your Bitcoins to a skating-enabled wallet or platform, or you're exploring alternative yield features if offered. Now, is skating available on Cash App? Directly skating is not currently available in the app, but you can send Bitcoin to an external wallet that supports the skating or Yell services, and some users can access earned features depending on account eligibility. And here's how to prepare for Bitcoin skating via Cash App. First, open your Cash App and then tap Bitcoin, which look like this, tab on the home screen, then tap buy and choose an amount, and then confirm you're using by PIN or biometric. Now, you own Bitcoin in your Cash App account right now. Step 2 is to earn skating rewards, you will need to transfer your Bitcoin to a platform that supports the yield, like Ledger, Live, Exodus, or Coinbase on for altcoins. So tap the Bitcoin tab, scroll to withdraw Bitcoin, and tap send to external wallet, and then paste the Bitcoin address of your skating or Yell platform wallet, and then confirm with your PIN. And here, make sure the platform supports Bitcoin skating or Yell services. Bitcoin doesn't have a native skatings like Ethereum, but yet Yell service simulated. Now, after the transfer, set up the skating or earning features on the new platform, then accept terms and conditions, then choose lockup period if applicable, and start earning your rewards. And here are some alternatives. So some users may see beta features like Bitcoin roundup investing, which means fair exchanges goes into the Bitcoin. Then auto buy and hold. You can schedule your Bitcoin purchases on holding. And Bitcoin rewards via cash card boosts. So which means Bitcoin's cashback. While not traditional skating, these features help grow your crypto over the time. And here's some safety tips for you. Always verify external wallet addresses and avoid unknown platform promising high returns. Use 2FA and strong password in all wallets, and understand the Bitcoin skating alternatives carry risks. And here are my final thoughts. Cash App doesn't yet offer the native crypto skating, but you can still buy Bitcoin easily, transfer it to the other platform for skating or Yell. Use available Bitcoin-related Cash App features to grow your crypto. So keep changing the Bitcoin tab in Cash App for new features. Crypto is evolving fast. And that's it for this video. If this helped you out, like this video, comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.